Welcome back, movie lovers.
Is anyone out there?
Hello?
We need to move him. He's losing too much blood.
Get him inside, quickly!
Flight 571 is a powerful and emotionally intense retelling of the true story of the Uruguayan rugby team whose plane crashed in the remote, snow-covered Andes Mountains in 1972. What begins as a routine flight turns into a nightmare when the aircraft breaks apart mid-air and the survivors find themselves stranded on an endless field of ice, with no food, no heat, and no way to call for help. As the days pass and rescue efforts fail, the group is forced to confront the harsh reality that no one is coming. Battling freezing temperatures, avalanches, injuries, and the constant fear of death, they must make unimaginable choices in order to stay alive. Their strength, faith, and unity are tested in ways they never thought possible. Despite overwhelming odds, a few survivors gather enough courage to attempt an unbelievable journey across the mountains to find help. Their determination, teamwork, and will to live turn this tragic event into one of the greatest survival stories ever told. Flight 571 is not just a disaster film, it is a testament to human resilience, sacrifice, and the unbreakable spirit of hope.